So Fede, let's talk about the Anunnaki and Inzalo Yelanga Mpumalanga, also known as Yadam's calendar. Yangithola. So more than 300,000 years ago, in a planet known as the planet Nibiru, there was an alien race known as the Anunnaki. Yangithola. The Anunnaki was the ruling race. Yangithola. So the Anunnaki was so technologically advanced, ukuthi thina as abantu, we cannot even fathom, we cannot imagine how technologically advanced they were. Yangithola. But despite being this technologically advanced, they had a problem. Their atmosphere was dying. So because it was dying because of irradiation from the sun. The radiation was destroying their atmosphere and their planets. And they were at the brink of extinction. So because they were so intelligent, they were so smart, they were so technologically advanced, they discovered that if we use gold and say break it down the gold into microscopic size and we dispense it in our atmosphere, we can actually deflect our heat rays, and we can save our planets. So they went out on a conquest. What they have to find a planet with gold and they have to bring it back to their own planet, which is planet Nibiru. So they went out on a conquest and they found multiple planets. One of those planets they found in which they could mine gold was Earth, our own planet. So what made figure Earth? Figure Prince Enki, which was the prince of the Anunnaki. Prince Enki mega figure ufika kuphi? Ufika la eSouth Africa, eMpumalanga, Inzalo Yelanga. This was the first place where they decided that they will mine gold la on Earth. So but they create mines where they mine gold. And the working class of the Anunnaki was known as the Igigi or the Ijiji. So Igiji, yiwo amayinayo gold. So mining gold was dangerous. And they because they felt it was beneath them. So they decided or they rebelled firstly. They rebelled with no one and there was a rebellion of the Ijiji, the working class, which will not mine this gold. Because that is beneath us and it is dangerous. So after the rebellion, Prince Enki decides, okay, let's create a species as a miner gold. Then batata our cousins, Homo erectus, and they mix the DNA Homo erectus, the DNA of the Anunnaki, and they create Homo sapiens, Tina. So remember creator Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens were meant to be smart enough, they can mine and they remember underground they can fix some problems now, but they are not smart enough to be independent. So members created we were meant to be workers for the Anunnaki and mining in gold. And they did just that. Some miner gold, some miner gold. For more than 50,000 years, we've been miners for the Anunnaki.